Hi guys, this is Rishabh Raj and I welcome you all to my channel. So today I'm going to do unboxing for a camera which I bought recently, which is Canon 200D Mark II. So this is the silver variant that I bought in Singapore and it cost me around 815 Singapore dollars, which is somewhat approximately equal to 42 to 43,000 rupees in India. But if you buy it online in India and in Flipkart or you go to Amazon, you will get it around 47 to 48,000, which again is a good deal because this is the best camera that you can get within the 50,000 range. And not just the photography, it has a very good videography quality as well. So definitely I would recommend all the beginner photographers to go with this camera and learn the photography skills. So let me do the unboxing and show you what all comes inside the camera. So guys, this is Canon 200D Mark II with 1855mm STM kit lens. So before I do the unboxing, let's go through the specs of this camera. It has a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor which gives really sharp images. It supports ISO up to 25600. It has a dual pixel autofocus. It supports 4K recording, which is a great advantage. It has a vari-angle LCD touch screen, which is very helpful while doing vlogging. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. You can use this to directly transfer pictures and videos from the camera to your smartphone. So let's do the unboxing and see what all we get inside the box. So the first thing that you will see in the box is the Canon booklet. This is very helpful in understanding how this camera works. I highly recommend to go through this guide, especially those who have bought a DSLR for the first time. Next we have is the Canon additional 3 months warranty support, which you will get if you will register your camera online. Let's see what next in the box. So we have this Canon standard charger. It has the indicator to show whether the battery is full or the battery is still charging. And with this comes the Canon 7.2 volt 1040 mAh Li-ion battery, which supports up to 1000 click in one full charge. Now let's check the main content in the box, the camera body. Let's open this. This camera comes in 3 variants: black, white and silver. This is a limited silver edition and it's looking amazing. Just look at the black and the silver combination. It is definitely an eye catcher. Please do comment if you like this color. Now let's see what all we have on the camera body. So on the top we have the camera toggle, and the same is used for switching to the video recording mode. To the left we have the roller to select the modes like manual, aperture priority, automatic modes. This button we have here can be used to adjust the ISO when you are in the manual mode using this roller. This is the shutter button, and when half pressed it will automatically set the focus on the desired object. Canon 200D Mark II comes in a manual flash mode, which is a good thing. You can use it whenever you feel like. Now let's see the rear body of the camera. So here is the menu button to toggle through different settings of the camera in order to get the best shot. Beside it we have the info button, which tells you about the configurations that you have used while clicking the picture. This is the start of recording. So basically whenever you are in the video mode, you can use this to start your recording. Now this is a vari-angle LCD display that we talked about earlier. Let me open this and show it to you. So this is how the display looks. So you can move it in various angles as per your requirement and click the pictures. Let's close this up and move next. This button here is used to set the exposure for your photo. This is for zoom in and zoom out. So this button here that you see is basically used for switching between the camera capture mode or the gallery mode, basically the mode where you can see all the captured videos and pictures. And this here is the delete button. So this button is very useful in deleting the unwanted pictures directly from your camera. So that's all we have in the rear of the camera. Now let's keep the camera aside and look at the kit lens that we get in the bundle. So this is a 1855mm kit lens and it has the image stabilization. Also it supports an autofocus and manual mode. Now let me put it on the camera body and see how the final camera looks like. So all you need to do is see this box and match it with the white mark here and then just turn it clockwise. Let me remove the cap of the lens. Okay, so this is how the final look of the camera will be. Isn't it amazing? The silver color with this black mark here. This is definitely an eye catcher. Here's some of the picture of this camera that I have taken from my phone. So here are some of the camera samples that I have taken using the kit lens and the zoom lens. Do let me know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the instant notification.